This is Shukriyo and welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. Welcome. So this is the feeding time for my fish. As you can see, actually the fish can identify its feeder. Okay. So as soon as I come to feed my fish, they come in this region. Okay. They gather in this region because they know that it is the feeding time, and they can interestingly identify their feeder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is so mm, I actually feed micro pellets, okay, to my fish because I have a small all my fish are mostly small mouthed, so I fish micro pellets to them. So see, these are the micro pellets that I'm going to feed. So one of the two questions that arise in one's mind is how many times to feed the fish, and how much to feed them. So actually most of the fish takes uh, 16 to 24 hours actually to digest the food. So if you want to feed them once, okay, you can feed them, and if you want to feed them twice, feed them in very small quantity. Okay, so fish actually they will look for food when they are hungry, but if they find some available food, they will go on they will eat they will overeat. Okay, and that will make your fish obese, and also if you and how much quantity you should feed is depending on uh, the number of fish you have in your water tank. And actually you have to find out by experiment that how much you want to feed them, but the thumb rule is you should feed them uh, the quantity which they can eat in say 5 minutes. Okay, so if beyond that the food is left over, okay, in your fish tank, then that is a clear sign that you are overfeeding your fish. Okay, so you should feed them enough that they can finish in 5 minutes. Otherwise what will happen is uh, the leftover food in aquarium will increase the ammonia and nitrite level, and that will reduce the water quality in your aquarium, and that is harmful for the fish as well as after 5 minutes if you find that there are leftover foods, always try to remove the fish, sorry, not the fish, the leftover food in your aquarium, you should remove them so that they do not make ill effects in the water quality. And also try to find out a food which is very balanced, okay, which is high in protein, minerals and vitamins, which is balanced, giving it is better to feed them less good quality feed, it is better to feed them good lesser amount of good quality food than cheap quality, which is not proper in nutritional value. And always try to store the micro pellets or whatever pellets you are using in a cool dry place, so that it doesn't lose its nutritional value. And also try to buy the pellets in small quantity, so that Hmm. They do not lose the nutritional value if if you keep it over time. Now I will put the feeds in the water. See, they have come and start feeding on the micro pellets. So actually, I know that they will finish this much food in 5 to 5 minutes. That is why I have actually I know what quantity they eat. So in the same way, actually, friends, you also have to find out how much food they can gobble up in 5 minutes. So, in the comment section, friends, let me know what is what you love to feed your fish, and how do you try to provide the best nutrients to your fish. So, thanks for watching.